He made $2,200 in 5 days using this AI app. No one's talking about it. What if I told you an ordinary guy made $2,200 in just 5 days, using an AI app you've never even heard of? No coding, no fancy degrees. Just a laptop, a free tool, and a simple strategy that anyone in America could start tonight. This isn't a clickbait story. It's real, and it's happening quietly while most people are scrolling past it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how he did it, step by step, and how you can copy the exact same process to start earning, even if you've never made a single dollar online before. Because if he can do it, why can't you? Let's dive in. 5 days. That's all it took. When I first heard about this guy making $200 using nothing but an AI app on his laptop, I thought it was fake. Another internet gimmick. But then I saw the screenshots, bank deposits, daily payouts. And most shocking of all, he wasn't even a tech expert. No coding, no marketing degree. He was just a 29-year-old retail worker from Ohio, tired of living paycheck to paycheck. It all started one night after his shift. He was scrolling TikTok, exhausted, when a video popped up. This AI app can make you money while you sleep. Normally, he would have ignored it, but something about that night felt different. Maybe it was the stack of unpaid bills on his counter. Maybe it was the $23 left in his bank account. He downloaded the app. Zero upfront cost. The first night, he just explored it, watched tutorials, played around with the interface, and the next morning, he made a decision. I'm going to actually test this. Worst case, I waste a few hours. Best case, I change everything. And here's exactly what happened next. On day one, he started simple. The AI app he downloaded wasn't complicated. It was built for regular people, not tech geniuses. It had pre-built templates, automated tools, and step-by-step tutorials built right into it. He followed exactly what the tutorial said. Pick a niche, generate content, and offer it online. He chose something he was familiar with, fitness. Not because he was an expert, but because he knew what beginners usually search for. He typed into the AI, create a 7-day beginner home workout plan. In less than 60 seconds, the AI generated a polished guide, complete with exercises, instructions, and even motivational tips. He stared at the screen. This would have taken him hours to write by hand, but the AI did it in seconds. Now, here's the genius part. Instead of keeping it for himself, he packaged it as a digital download. He created a simple cover using Canva. The AI app had integrations for design tools, uploaded it to Etsy, and priced it at $7. That was it. No fancy website, no upfront cost. By the end of day one, nothing happened. Zero sales. He almost gave up, thinking, this is just another waste of time. But on day two, he woke up to his first notification. You've made a sale, $7. It was tiny, but it felt massive. Proof that this wasn't fake. Proof that he could actually do this. Fueled by that first sale, he doubled down. He asked the AI to create more products, a 30-day meal plan for weight loss, a printable grocery checklist, a beginner-friendly fitness journal. Each one took less than 10 minutes to generate, and he listed them all. By the end of day 2, he had 4 products live, all created by AI. Day 3, 3 sales. Day 4, 7 sales. And by day 5, one of his products went semi-viral after someone on TikTok shared it. He made 27 in total. 5 days, no advertising, no inventory, no employees. Just AI, a laptop, and a little persistence. And here's what blew my mind. This wasn't even the limit. Because what he figured out next turned his $200 into something much bigger. By the time day 6 rolled around, he realized something. If he could make $200 in 5 days with no prior experience, what would happen if he actually scaled this? So, he sat down with a notebook, wrote down every step he took, and began analyzing what worked and what didn't. The AI app didn't just generate content, it also had market research tools built in. And that's when he uncovered the secret, demand-driven content. He typed into the AI, what are the top trending fitness-related searches in the US this week? Instantly, it gave him keywords and ideas that were exploding on Google and TikTok. 10-minute workouts for busy moms, low-carb meal plans on a budget, printable fitness trackers for beginners. Instead of guessing, he followed the data. He asked the AI to create a 10-minute busy mom workout ebook and paired it with a colorful AI-generated PDF tracker. He uploaded it, priced it at $12, and shared a quick preview on his social media with captions like, made with AI, for busy moms who want real results. The reaction explosive. Comments poured in. Where can I get this? This is genius. I need this ASAP. He realized then that AI didn't just save time, it gave him leverage. By week 2, he added more niches: budget meal planning, home organization printables, stress relief guides, all driven by AI research. And this is where his earnings jumped from a few $100s to over $3,500 in his second week. And remember, he was still working his retail job during the day. He only spent 2-3 hours at night setting up new products while the AI handled 80% of the work. Here's exactly how he broke it down step by step. Market research with AI. He let the AI scan trending topics weekly. It gave him real-time demand insights without paying for expensive tools. 2. Content creation with AI. Each product, guides, checklists, planners, took less than 10 minutes to create. No design skills, no writing skills. 3. Automation of sales. Once uploaded to Etsy or Gumroad, the sales became completely passive. Customers download instantly, no shipping, no manual work. 4. AI-powered marketing. He used the AI app to write social captions and hashtags optimized for TikTok and Instagram, so his products spread organically without ads. And then came the craziest part. He received a message from another seller who said, "I've been doing this for months. This method is scaling to 10K a month if you stay consistent." For the first time in his life, he saw a clear path forward. He wasn't just paying his bills, he was building something sustainable. And if you're watching this, here's the reality. AI isn't replacing people who know how to use it. It's replacing people who don't. Because while others are binge-watching Netflix, there are people like him, ordinary people, quietly stacking $200, $300, $500 a day from home, using nothing more than an app anyone can download. And what he discovered next? Well, it's what took his income from a side hustle to something life-changing. Week 3. This was the moment everything shifted. By now, he had earned over $6,000 in less than 3 weeks. His phone buzzed daily with sales notifications. $7 here, $12 there, $19 from a bundled pack. It became normal. He went from worrying about his bills to waking up excited to check how much AI had made him while he slept. But then something unexpected happened. A small business owner in Texas messaged him through Etsy. "Hey, I love your meal plans. Could you create a custom version for my wellness clients?" At first he hesitated. "I'm not a professional nutritionist." But then he realized he didn't have to be. He had AI. He fed the client's requirements into the app. Create a 30-day balanced meal plan for women over 40, low carb with shopping lists. Within minutes, the AI generated a perfect plan. He charged $150 for the project. The client paid instantly. This was the breakthrough. He wasn't just selling to random shoppers anymore. He was now working with coaches, consultants, and small business owners who needed custom content fast. Within a week, he landed 3 more clients, $150, $250, $300. Combined with his daily Etsy sales, he had just crossed $9,000 in 21 days. And remember, this was a guy with no college degree, no tech skills, no special connections. Here's what changed everything. AI became his silent partner. While others saw it as a cool gadget, he treated it like an assistant working 24/7. He documented his steps. He built a simple routine: AI research, AI content, upload, promote. No guessing. He stayed consistent. While most people quit after 2 days of no results, he pushed through and hit momentum. By the end of week 4, he made a decision. He quit his second part-time job. Not his main retail job yet, but the second one he hated, the one that drained his weekends. AI had officially replaced that income. His family noticed. His friends noticed. He wasn't exhausted all the time anymore. He had energy. He was building something that worked. When I asked him what his secret was, he laughed and said, "There's no secret. It's just AI. People think it's complicated, but it's not. It's just about starting before everyone else catches on." And here's the truth, he's right. Because while you're watching this video, this AI app is still out there. It's still free to start. And there are thousands of untapped niches waiting for someone like you to take action. He didn't wait for permission. He didn't wait for the perfect time. He clicked download, followed the steps, and within 5 days, his entire life looked different. And if you think this is rare, it's not. Every day, more people in the US are quietly building income streams like this. They don't brag about it. They don't scream it from rooftops. They just take action, stay consistent, and let AI do the heavy lifting. And now the question is simple: will you? Because in another 30 days, 2 things will happen. Either you'll be looking back, wishing you started tonight, or you'll be the one telling the story of how an AI app paid your rent, cleared your credit card, or even replaced your side job. The difference? A single decision. And this, right here, right now, is your moment. Don't let this just be another video you watch and forget. Hit subscribe right now, because in my next video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step AI strategy he used to double his income again, to $2,400 in just 10 more days. AI isn't waiting. It's moving fast. And those who start early, they win. So, are you ready to be next? Click subscribe and let's make it happen. And if you're still watching right now, here's the truth. 99% of people will see this video, nod their heads, and then go back to scrolling. But you've already proven you're not like them. If a guy can make $2,200 in just 5 days using an AI app that no one is even talking about yet, imagine what you could do if you started today. Don't let this window close. Hit subscribe right now, because my next video is where I reveal the AI strategy that doubled his income again in just 2 weeks. And trust me, you'll want to see it before everyone else does. The question is simple. Will you watch AI change other people's lives, or will you be the one who changes yours? The choice is yours. Click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.